This video is the third in a series of 3 on how to use gradecam. I encourage you to print this Word document up so that you can follow along with your sheet of paper as we go through this tutorial. Section 3 is about analyzing assignment scores. Part 1, we're going to look up a report. Part 2, we're going to print a report. And then we'll talk about other helpful data. So let's learn how to look up a report. Step 1, let's open gradecam. Click Assignments, click Open, choose the desired assignment, click Open, choose the Scan tab. You want to make sure your current class is the class you're choosing, so we'll choose Period 8. Click the Reports tab. This is our item analysis. Here's how you can see how each question was answered. So let's look at it. Question 1, 8 people got it right, 2 people got it wrong. So a larger green bar means we're doing good. Green is the correct answer, red is the incorrect. Question 2, we're still doing good. Most of the people answered this question correctly. Question 3, we're still doing good. The largest bar is green. Question 4, about a third of the people got this question wrong. Question 5, looks like we have a problem as I'm analyzing the test scores. The answer key says C is the correct answer, but only one person chose C. 6 people chose A, 3 people chose B. So this is a problem when only 10% of your students choose the right answer. Either I didn't teach it correctly, or the answer key is wrong, or the question is not a good question. So I really like to do item analysis so I can look quickly at a test that was scanned and see if there's a problem with the question. Your choice is to either throw it out or, of course, change the correct answer to A instead of C, and you can go back and do that. Alright, what we just did was we looked up a report. We opened gradecam, we clicked on Assignments, we opened, we clicked on the Scan tab, made sure we chose the current class, and that our class matched under Current Class. We clicked on Reports, Item Analysis, and this class, and then we saw bar graphs. Alright, let's go to Part 2, Print a Report. So, let's go to gradecam. It's already open. Go to the Assignment tab. Click Open. Choose the desired assignment. Open. Scan tab. Make sure your current class is the same Period 8. Click the Reports tab. Now, if you notice, if you have the piece of paper in front of you, the Word document on analyzing assignment scores, it doesn't say what's going on. If you're in this screen, it says hit item analysis. I don't see item analysis available. If you're already in the document, you have to use the back key to get back to item analysis. Now I can click item analysis. Now I can go to this class, and here's the printer icon, and if I click that, here's your printing options. And I encourage you to go ahead and explore these other options. We just printed a report by opening gradecam, going into Assignments, clicking Open, click on the Scan tab, choosing the current class, click on the Reports tab, go to item analysis, but then we had a problem. We couldn't find item analysis because we had to use the back key. Now let's talk about hints, other helpful data. One other helpful set of data is class item analysis by student. It shows a graphic of the entire class of answered questions. So let's go look at that. Under the Reports tab, Class Item Analysis by Student, this class, and there is the item analysis of who scored what. And as you can see, you can tell what students did fairly well. That student got 100%, and wow, this student, Mr. Answer, was having difficulties, as well as Miss Drinja. And then number 2, when changing classes to view different assignment reports, you must use the back arrow to select different classes. Make sure you also click on the Scan tab to match up the current class to the assignment. Then choose Other Reports. This concludes the third video in a set of 3 videos on how to use gradecam. You should be proficient now. There is a 4th video entitled Different Options for Scanning Forms, so if you would like, that'll show you all the different ways you can use scanning forms for your classes. Thank you.